Hello everyone, I'm Maximilian. I am a portrait and boudoir photographer and a professional photo editor. Today I will be teaching you everything you need to know about AI art generation using Stable Diffusion. I am confident in saying that this is the most in-depth course on all things AI art available on the internet today. Just as I do in my other courses, I'll start with the assumption that you have no prior experience with AI art generation, breaking down the basics first, and slowly increasing the complexity level as the course progresses. Throughout the course, I'll treat you to a no stone unturned comprehensive guidance, ensuring that by the end, you'll have grown from an absolute beginner to an experienced user. By the end of this course, you will know how to set up your completely free AI art software, from installation to various extensions available on the internet. You will become familiar with all the tools and techniques required for both basic and advanced use cases. You will learn how to communicate effectively with your computer, a process known as prompting, and how to generate images using both text-to-image and image-to-image methods. I will also show you various in-painting techniques used to fix and recreate parts of previously generated images, and finally, how to upscale your results using a variety of methods. What sets this course apart from most AI-related courses on the internet is the in-depth breakdown and overview of each and every setting and slider of Automatic 1111, the most advanced AI generator available to date, including various examples, comparisons between different settings and more, all with the goal of helping you find your own style and preferred method. This will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the parameters that you can use to guide the AI generation according to your vision. Additionally, we will cover both the photorealistic and animated Stable Diffusion models, where to find and install them, alongside textual inversions, LoRa's, and files we use to teach our favorite models new concepts. I have made a great effort to simplify and help you navigate the sometimes confusing Stable Diffusion interface, including various terms and techniques used by the community, with the goal of presenting them in a way that is understandable even if you have had no prior contact with AI. This course is your one-stop destination for mastering AI art generation with Stable Diffusion. I'd be delighted to have you on board as my student, embarking on this creative journey into the world of AI art generation. Let's unlock your creative potential together. I am Mark, and I will be happy to be your teacher.